I'm Sri Surya. I'm from Computer Science Department and I have our team members Lokesh from AITS Department, Nirmal and Srinidhi from CSE Department and Ritik from EZ Department.
Okay, so what are we discussing today about?
And we are going to have a case study on the company Oracle.
Okay.
Oracle is one of the most leading company and it primarily serves in enterprise software, database solutions and cloud computing. So, the business process is mainly focused on retail, finance, healthcare and telecommunication and government. Oracle's core strength is to help the organizations to manage their critical ideas and data. So, first, over the years, Oracle has been served as a primary database company and now it is a cloud technology provider. So, its major technologies are cloud infrastructure, artificial intelligence, database and telecommunications database and it serves in many uses and it actually serves as its main strength is to have a long-term technologies.
Okay, alright. So it's how much of revenue does this company make?
It does so much of cloud revenues we have in that.
So focusing on cloud revenue.
Yes. So now to know about the current position of Oracle, we need to know about the market position and competitive environments. So let us discuss the details.
Yeah.
Oracle operates in a highly competitive technology market, especially in cloud computing and enterprise softwares. It has a major competitors, including such companies like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, SAP, and Google Cloud. Unlike some other
I
infrastructure.
have a doubt. When you say that Oracle lends its hands to Amazon, but don't you think Amazon already works with cloud computing or it has its own, I don't know what terms to use it, to rightly call it, or maybe like a cloud services or technology. It has its own, right? So why do Oracle help Amazon? How does that connection work?
So Oracle is like an enterprise-based company. So they work with business to business rather than with customers. So
Okay.
AWS is like very general service. Like if I wanted to create some, if I'm running a company and it's mid-size, I have like 100 employees, I'll be using AWS. But if I'm an organization, I have to look forward like IBM or big companies like that's how it is.
With this, it can maintain a healthy relationship with customers and other companies. So, Oracle's customer must depend on their systems for the critical functions such as supply chain enterprises, database management, and financial management, etc.
So where's the headquarters of Oracle?
It is in California.
Also California-based company, and they have one worldwide presence. Do we have it in India?
Yes.
We have it where in India? Different places. I mean, all metropolitan cities.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Because students there are highly getting placed in other companies. I haven't even heard of Oracle, but once in a while you hear it. But I do not know what it is. Do you guys focus on getting into Oracle?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna speak about Oracle's infrastructure, and we spoke about Oracle's infrastructure. The strategy, the main strategy which Oracle is newly coming into is cloud computing. They mainly focus on cloud computing and they wanted to implement in everything, and they started an OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, which includes people in getting more customers and critical strategies and eventually in marketing. By among this action, the Oracle name has been grown bigger and it has been known to many people because of this implement of cloud ecosystems. And newly, now the artificial intelligence is going worldwide across. Now the Oracles are implementing AI in their projects so that they could reach more customers and they could be so right. So strategy is something good that it has to be there for each and every company, and AI is becoming the utmost strategy that all company is moving forward with. But beyond what have you got to say?
I've got to say the challenges and solutions that
Can you just give me two challenges?
two challenges that you have actually mentioned before. You actually don't know Oracle is the other company that exists.
Yeah.
And that's the
Major
issue. What's the challenge? The challenge is also known as like customer acknowledgement and interest. Yeah, like the competitions are strong competitions like Microsoft, Azure, and AWS. They have hard time to capture the customers and their trust. And also the other challenges are that cybersecurity risk are not involving artificial intelligence earlier before the competitors. So yeah, cybersecurity risk can also affect the databases and stuff because they are actually doing day-to-day cloud service rather than approaching the consumers, getting widespread across different countries. So the solutions for these kind of challenges are maybe like
Okay,
involving.
but you don't have to tell me the solutions, but that's good that you brought in the challenges the company is facing, and absolutely we not being aware of lots of companies not being recognized is again one of the biggest hate that you could ever get, right? Not being aware, if you're not aware of it. Right? Okay, now how are we going to conclude it?
Yeah, like as you said, Oracle is fighting for its position for the top three. So big three is like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, which takes about like 60% of the cloud market. But even though Oracle has done, they have like a minor share, like nearly 5% something in the cloud market. But still, they have this kind of they punch up away with it because the quality they give is unmatched. And it's been a very fascinating journey. Like the company actually transitioned from a database provider who made this SQL to now they're giving up infrastructure to them. They have good partnerships with NVIDIA, AMD, and other companies. And recently they just made a deal with OpenAI and SoftBank Japan to like invest $500 million target project in United States, and they actually goes with government. The CEO of the former CEO of the company, Larry Ellison, is worked for the US Army. Actually, that's how the company did it. Oracle was actually a internal project in the US Army. There was no name Oracle, so he just went out. Once the project was over, he just used the name to for his own company, and they were making up databases. Now they are moving to AI. And they have a good market as well. They are valued at some $500 million market cap. Even though they can't compete with hyperscalers like Google Cloud, Azure, and others, they still like quality over quantity kind of business models what they use.
Thank you so much, guys. I